Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control system, outside temperature gauge, wheel covers, Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, power steering, beverage holders, dual airbags, reclining seats, side airbag system, tilt steering wheel, adjustable headrests, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.